If I were getting a dental implant and I was up to the point where I was considering the cost, the factors that I would keep in mind are just a couple. One is the overhead structure of the dentist, and all things being equal, by that I mean the dentist has choices in the kind or the system of implants, of which there are many that he or she chooses to place. At Northern Virginia Periodontics, we only work with the best dental implants on the market and have done so since 1995. Additionally, there are many choices when it comes to supplemental treatments with dental implants like bone grafting. And again, we've decided long ago to only use the finest products that are on the market, because all of these things affect the outcome, both short-term and long-term. As specialists, Dr. Carlos and I do dental implants every single day and have done so since 1995. So when you're deciding who might place your dental implant, we strongly encourage you to do your due diligence and check closely the credentials of the treating provider. For us to truly get to the cost of a dental implant, it's just a simple evaluation that we need to do. We'll take a look in your mouth, we'll do the necessary x-rays, and then we can really drill down on what precisely it is that you need to take care of your dental problem. And it may be simple and it may be more complex, but as the complexity increases, the cost may increase a little bit. The point is, it's necessary to get to the right provider who can discern which treatments you actually need and would benefit from, so that you can get the best bang for your buck, the best benefit when you have your dental implant placed.